Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into PEPE Coin, its recent price drop, the reasons behind it, and what's coming next. If you're a PEPE holder, this update is important, so stick around. Right now, PEPE is trading around 0.79, and its market cap has dropped from $9 billion to $3.35 billion. Over the past month, PEPE has fallen nearly 40%, and instead of a bullish 2025 prediction, the crypto market is struggling. So, what's causing this downturn? One major reason is market uncertainty. Some policies, including those related to taxation in Mexico and Canada, have triggered panic selling. On top of that, global market conditions are weak and investors are cautious. However, this dumping won't last forever. Looking ahead, the current price range has strong support. If PEPE holds this level, we could see a rebound in the coming weeks. A market-wide recovery could also push PEPE back up, so patience is key. If you're considering investing, this might be an ideal entry point, but always do your own research before making any decisions. That's it for today's update. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. What do you think? Will PEPE recover soon? Drop your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.